Jaydeep Rana. I completed my BCA at Sardar Patel University. As I was thinking about my career option, I joined SkillIQ Institute, being known for specialization in both IT and non-IT fields. Therefore, I made the decision to enroll in quality assurance, and I must say the experience has been fantastic. I have completed a 3 months of peer training program at SkillIQ, and my experience with SkillIQ has been great. Throughout the course, I have learned various testing types such as website testing, mobile app testing, functional, non-functional, and bug tracking tools like Jira and Trello. The mentors at SkillIQ were excellent. They were always ready to give answers to my questions. The institute followed the structure of weekly plans, assignments, and regular exam to facilitate to continuously learning. It has been valuable and life-changing experience for me to take a part of quality assurance at SkillIQ. I am confident I have skill I need to be successful in quality assurance. I am grateful opportunity to learn from SkillIQ, and I highly recommend the quality assurance course at SkillIQ to anyone interested in learning quality assurance course. Thank you.